Goal. Goal in life is very important. It is important to know that what you want to achieve, how you want to achieve. No matter how far is your goal, you need to be persistent. You need to practice every day, every day, and set a time limit for you that when you want to achieve. Be persistent. Measure it every day. Make it achievable. Maybe a lot, a lot of practice is required. Maybe a lot of efforts are required. But set a goal to achieve it. You can only achieve it when you practice every day. No matter if you fall, just stand up. Stand up and move ahead. Nobody can actually let you down. Just focus on it. The problems can arise. That could be your own thoughts. That could be the situations. That could be the people around you. That could be anything. But don't forget that what is your goal. Don't forget that what you want to achieve. Just enjoy the journey. The people will help you to achieve it. The people will accompany you. Just focus. No matter what is your age right now, no matter which stage you are right now, just focus and move forward. Just focus and have fun with your goal. No matter where have you reached, but your goal is going to be achieved. Just be persistent, consistent, and one day you will be in big frame and the people are applauding, praising you.